Yeah, namhlanje ngiyixoxe ke lama legends abanikazi beclub Highlanders. These are people who've been there for years. Ndumiso Gumede has been a football administrator. When you talk of Zimbabwean football, the name of Ndumiso Gumede comes. He has saved Zifa, saved Highlanders, saved football in general. Uhamba ku FIFA is known, CAF is known, everywhere. Lofty, who played and managed Highlanders also, now he is in Botswana. Kumzu kunjani?
Yaphila mdawini welina linjani?
Hayi siyaphila. Lofty. Unjani Lofty?
No yaphila.
Kumzi. Abantu phela abantwana ngabayazi isiteko kuhle abantwana ikakhulu abasakhula limite ukuthi kanti wona wavela ngaba bacande nje umuntu wasafeza from Norway wavela kuziva usibuya Highlanders bakwazi ukuqala Highlanders.
Mina ngizalelwe khona uBawana. Ngakhulela ku Arasco. Yiko bona ngihlakaniphile so ngumzilikazi.
Yeah.
Ngithe ngifunda Mpophoma. Omnye umngane wami okuthiwa nguJosiah Ncumalo. Singabangane besikolo. Kodwa yena edlalela iHighland. Lapho kwavela khona ukuthanda iHighland ngoqobo. Ngithe mphuma lapho ngafundela kuba umbalisi eGwelo Teachers College osokuyi Midland State University Katese. Ekuqedeni wami ukufundela ukuba umbalisi sengivele ngingunompembe qualified referee. Hayi ngisachanga impembe okuya ngaphi ngoba ngafakwa ukuthi ngiyefundisa Highfields. Ngahamba ngafundisa Highfields kodwa ngivele ngithande into ezemidlalo. Sports master abadala bangabazi abantu okuthiwa Oliver Kate ngabafundisa
Oliver Kate weDynamos.
Oshekemeni Town. Babe ngabantwana abadlalela isikolo sami. Ngo-75 ngadecide ukubuya. Uthi ngibuyele Mvambijana. Ngaleso sikhathi kwakungala Premier Soccer League. Kwakule i-top clubs okuthiwa i-Super League. Ibhora lonke lalingaphansi kwendoda okuthiwa nguJohn Matsima. Ngakho-ke iclub ye-Highlanders yasingikhetha ukuthi nxa kule mhlangano khonale bedonda kuthumeza umuntu ongabamela bathayele mendoda ahambe isimela yikungena kwami kufaka uzwana emhlambini we-Highlanders kwaba yimi-ke ngithi makuthiwa hayi kulamhla ule draw buya lonke kodwa hayi Gumede hambe isimela kungasenani-ke ngo-75 ngadecide ukuthi hayi sengifuna ukuza ekhaya. Ngike ngifika ngathi bathatha kula kuhlala phansi ngena ku-committee fundraising yayingaphansi kwamama othiwa nguMrs Zwambila. Iclub yayivele isponsor iMarisha Cocktail. Marisha esemagwegwe. Marisha lapho kokuhlabela khona indoda okuthiwa nguLove Majaivana. Lamlila ngangilokhuha lokuhlabela ngasike sikhwele sonke estage laphana. Shaya ingoma zabanye abantu khona yayithiwa Tupelo Honey lalamhla lokho ngikukho. Yes ikholiso kunyela bo Majaivana. Ngangena-ke ku-fundraising under Mrs. Zwambila. Thuku nampo abantu beHarare besenzela imhlola bewinisa iDynamos nesitayila iground iBaba Field igcwele amanzi sabathethe akudlaleki ngapha sasifuna nje 1 point ukuthi sithathe i-league that year. Nampo beyekela iDynamos ibuya thina singaredi sibatshenta sasezayekela bayinika iDynamo ziyawina sabe sihlamuka saphuma anti ngilokho ngichaya kuhle babuthi
lahlamuka liphuma ngala
sachiya ku Super League sasifomele yethu ethiwa yi-South Zone Soccer League wosesimncane we
South Zone Soccer League okay
ingaphansi koDouglas Mkhonenzi lamakarata ezishwabane ngayo kwaqala safoma amaklabhu amatsha Plumtree Horrors oGonda Ramblers obani yibo sasedlala sesihlamukile nasekuhele hayi amadoda Dynamo zadlanda one day athi hayi ndoda lade ngala sahlalanga kuhle indaba kathi singabuyelela sabuyelela ke kwase ku-1979 yes
we got back together
sathatha 6 clubs as the South Zone Soccer League sathatha 6 clubs ezabo can call them North Zone Soccer League bona babezibiza bethi bayi-NFL National Football League asilandaba lokho anyway khonapho-ke ekubunjweni kwe-South Zone Soccer League kwasekuhlupha ngoba abantu bayevele bekhangela iklabhu ngaleso sikhathi kwakuyibo oDouglas Mkhonenzi but obaba uLendikat Khulu but sengithini wabefaka ijoke phansi ukukhethwa kwami kungena ngibe ngu-chairman we-Highlanders ngo-1978 ungakazalwa wena
waba ngu-chairman we-Highlanders 78
1978 I was 34 years old. I was the youngest ever chairman of Highlanders. 1978.
At 34 years old.
Yeah. I was in Ghana. Sesidlala kathesi ngaphi Plumtree Horrors eGweru Kopia ezishabane sivumelene singabantu sithi hey asithiye lokho asidlaleni so kwabantu abasabuye emabhemini ethu sizidla ezinye amatimu 16 not abantu bathi hayi so boring babuye babukela meanwhile abantu abagangileyo bathe befome enye iclub bayinika lama-uniform yethu okuthiwa yi-Olympics bahamba badlala khona obhari jaka bona abeli bathontoka namhla ukuthi ngocoach bachiye iHighland British wasala ngesasesimthembe
really sedlala Olympics bezamuthatha iHighland yikho kwavela khona into babetha ibulawa ngeke ibulawa
exactly kathi nangu seya bevela khona
uloft ungaphi lapha ngaleso sikhathi kwezala into enjani
ayikho
loft awubalekanga wena
ayayina
wasala ukhona
unaqala khona ukuba
player coach we-Highlanders wena udlala iphi team ungabe ku-Highlanders
azakudlala khona ngaphosa ngafela khona
wasucoacha lapha ubuya futhi wayimanager so wasebenza ke Gumede lapho wena yasisithi
nanko ngomnyaka ka-90 asabambana phela
yes
kwase kuthatha 6 ngale 6 umnyaka uphela zaphunguka zonke zangakithi zonke zarelegethwa ezazingaphansi zazingeza ngapho
wasala iHighland
iHighland hayi yasala phela lezinye ezingu-4 kwakusese labo Eastlands labo Mashonaland United
why was it called team in Bulawayo called Mashonaland United?
Ayevele ikhona la kudala phela ama-team akudala ayevele either some regionalism or tribalism eMashonaland United yayidlala ngabantu besitshoneni ingaphansi kwabantu oShewunze labo Nemapare labo
but you had Damashona play for your team Highlanders.
samashona awekhaya ayivele ekhulele la sasingala problem sasingela nketha abatshana ngeke ngizwe nje ukuthi akuvela uzokwenzakala ukuthi umuntu asuke
hayi wawuvele uhlezi ukugcelela
Harare ezodlalela ehaleni amanga inkalakatha kuthiwa ngibona kolesihlanu kuhamba la wayihlala kimi Colson Mabeza came from Dynamo to play for
Abraham Adondo bonke laba
yeah that's vele sikhona but okukhulu ukuthi team insika yayo yayivele isesintwini anti siqale sikhuluma ngani ngabe sikhuluma ngeclub ngathi buyele saku 1926 isabizwa kuthiwa yi-Lions ngama 35 yabichintsha siba yimathebelele Highlanders ngo-35 ngo-75 onkomo labo mgabe bephuma e-detention ubaba unkomo uJoshua le wathi hayi okwenza i-tension ku-national politics is partly because of tribal names. Thina we dropped Matabeleland labana bathi batshintsha kubo iMashonaland bathi uthewelutse nanko ke 1980 sesithethu uzibuse ukhulumende umuntu usefuna ukutshintsha izinto nango umama kuthiwa Mtewura Europa Nongo intshale ifone ethi buye eHarare
utshela wena
ngizodingana ngokwesport ngifika ngale kwathiwa sesikhupha umadzima sesifaka ikomiti entsha eyokurana ifootball ukungena kwami kuzifa 1980
so izifa ngeno 80
but kwabo ngakangeni sathi sivela phendu eZambia ngoba sathi sizuza ichance yokuba team enkulu sanusa iteam okuthiwa City of Lusaka ukuthi ngizokholisa lathi la la kanye sabahlangabeza ngale kwemguza khona lephambi kweRichmond siyabathatha sakholisa lezo nsuku man le Bulawayo City Council isalidwa ngamakhiwa Constantinos mayor wabenzela i-civic reception uyakwazi i-civic reception
yazenziwa i-council
yabenzela khona abumpopu ntwana ngajoka nje ukuthi hey yabona uzadakwa masinyana kuyabe ngumzambia thuku nayo umzambia paka anyway hayi sasesibe siproceta lathi sisiyakhona leyo imnando le nyabona ngona ngiyithele uphile samba umqobo
uphela ndaba ibhasi ehamba ngale
sihamba ngayo phela ndaba sihamba ngayo khona le sithe sifika lebo mangale abantu beZambia ukuthi kule bhasi ezinhliziyo eZimbabwe sifika ngale nanko sokufika ilizwe abase Victory Camp bathi vele angeke labuyela bengalibonanga ibhasi kayisukiye badinga ibhasi $70 so standing kuphela ukuthi
overloaded
awuzakuyibona overload njalo abantwana bekhala ukubona abantu abavela
kibo
ekhaya
ngusebenzi bana bombani lo
1980
silithatha uzibusi
sesithethe uzibusi yes hayi sadlala kuhle elusaka chase luancha sidlala amagame khona mina ke lapho hayi ngase ngiphezulu lo sehamba ngesuper saloon lapho phela dela amaphuza ngale ngase a super saloon.
Yeah.
Mike Mope. He was the governor of the Bank of Zambia and chairman of City of Lusaka.
Hey. Lapho lokufundisa yini umba usafundisa?
Ngikuthi. Kodwa ngilabo headmaster bami
bekuvumela ukuthi hamba.
Thatha dube as long as you sport. Noko kuvela kulomthetho ukuthi nxa umuntu ehamba on a sporting event
must be allowed.
Permission,
leave to go.
Leave to go, yeah. With the new sports council, yeah. With chairman, sengikhulume kakhulu. Wathi ngibuye kuzifa. Izokuthi sembiziwe ngiteura Europa nongo. Uyama uteura Europa nongo.
Joyce Mjolo.
Nguye was experience wa Joyce Mjolo. Sengikhetha ukuthi buya kuzoba
kuzohlala lapha
ku committee yezifa ungena kwami izifa ngiyi-committee member uchairman wethu oqala umuntu Moroli Mushambadope wayevela khona le yayeyililwa lihlathi vela khona lemdla but indoda ayayithanda amanzi kakhulu imini seyadala akayithanga lo ndoda bemkhupha bemfaka enye la indoda enkakade engaka Nelson Chiva Jumbo Jet.
I think ngiyamkhumbula Jumbo Jet.
Yayivelele wayekhulele eGlobe and Phonics wasesiya eMalawi nesikhathi sempi. Very interesting character ngoba engu-referee ngu-administrator esaziwa i-Africa yonke lo nge-referee yakhe. He was the first person to influence our situation.
80 bana too.
80.
No, hayi bakuthanda abantu babo ngakhulu lapha bathi wazositholela ama-legends ethi siyabonga kakhulu oBruce labanye bonke. Yeah, ichaya indaba siyabuye sibuye namhlanje.
Phambili.
Sibuye lazo, ubuya lazo kuhle.
Nango ke 83 upatron wethu umuntu othiwa nguKenan Banana. Nango efomu yakhe team to State House Tornadoes. Laye ethanda futhi ibhola kakhulu engu-referee. Yes, he was a qualified referee. Yes. Nxa i-team
president weZimbabwe.
President weZimbabwe. Nxa i-team idlalela eground yakhe eState House wayechaya impembe khona. Anyway, ngithunywe ukuthi ngihambele le team yakhe Tanzania State House Tornadoes. Abe ngihamba la. Ikhotshwa ngu-Shepherd Murafe. Yeah. Ayisukukholisa kukhanya sakukholisa lapha. Hayi kunye sho. Sakholisa sayibhodi iTanzania yonke leya sesitsheniswa la ngindoda wayengu-ambassador ngale selimbalekele ibizo lakhe sesitshoneni. Wasitshenisa lapho abezipra ababetraina khona Morogoro kwathini sakholisa siphenduka sokulomoya ngapha songu-83 sokulomoya ngapha la abantu abafakwe uhulumende interim sebehlale kakhulu la kakube ama-election nampa abantu sebeqalisa ukudingadinga ukulungisa ukuthi kungangena abantu kungangena abantu babe besenza umhlangano abantu beHarare bethi amandebele maningi kakhulu ku-committee sibabili nina lo mkhwanazi ethi amandebele maningi kakhulu awusale one ikomiti lesevele singu-2 bathiwa maningi kakhulu babe bengikhupha bafaka uhomela yehomela wangena endawanyana zikutshiya kwami izifa ngazazihlalele ekhaya la ngathi ngayekela ibhora ngathi angisafuni kanti ngapha i-island isihlabalele isifuna ukungenela le kuthiwani lo i-basketball ngase ngithethwa ukuthi ngike ngibambabambe ku-chairman be-basketball sidlalele khona ngapha next door la mankazana esikaratini so many hayi kwakumnandi lapha hayi anyway meanwhile
ulapho ngu-chairperson we-basketball
impela selande bhora
waselande bhora this is ngu-80 bala 4
ngu-84
yes
84 uchairman osekhethiwe kuwayendawo in my absence owabe waba ngu-vice wami Malcolm King nguye sengu-chairman
right
nangu-chairman Malcolm King esenza umnyaka owodwa kuphela 1984 85 wathi kasafuna nampa abantu zisale nami buyela phela ngu-chairman ngathi angisafuni kwanele khona okungikwenzileyo ngincema ngoMackenzie Sibanda iPhiti sebafanele kodwa ngathi uFinias Ndlovu uyakutshela isitori sakhe lo mkhonanzi la yathanda ukuthi ungenze njalo buya mina uzolokhuza uzonceda ithini hayi ngala one day ngingutitsha one day bebuye ifoni kuthiwa akule foni ku-headmaster foni ku-headmaster
lapho semzilikazi
ngiyangene kathi ifoni nganti ngifanele ngingene elokuzeni kubo-club kwathiwa ufuneke ufise na-headmaster kuthiwa kule foni yakho lapha lo headmaster ekhuqa mbijana kati ngumdala Nkomo uJoshua ngokwa number 6 manje ngisemsebenzini lapho nje esengikhulumelo headmaster fika ngikhaya nangu ngithatheke lami ngisiyafika ngikhaya
uya kwaJoshua Nkomo la
number 6 fika ngale hlaliswa labona wena Mtaka Sithelo wayesazi ubaba ngabizo okukwenza ukuthi abantu befuna ukuthi ube ngumkhokheli weclub wena wale kuyini hayi ngike ngazama sevela le sekuyiwehla phela mdala nxa ngivela
kusifa sembuyele
abantu bayakufuna wena uyala abantu babanga izikhundla
wena ukhona
wena wayala isikhundla osinikwa ngabantu ayithatha ifoni efonela umndoda okuthiwa nguDavid Ncube wayesebenzile iprogram itshela uDavid Ncube ethi ngilona Ndumiso Gumede lapha sevumile ukuthi uyabuyela ukuba ngu-chairman wa-Highlanders umdala ngikubuyela kwami ku-Highlanders ngisiyaqeda isithemu Malcolm King othiye kuphakathi
84 lapha
85 yena uthiye wenza 84 wenza 84 85 kwakusese-2 term lapho lo so nango sesenze ku-85 lwana hayi sihambe kuhle hayi nyaka asizange kuhle but sadlala. But at the end of 85, so I said, Matot, how do we reward our fund? So I said,
by then abafana lingabaniki ludla ba loft wawudlala ukuthanda ibhora kuphela
babevele benemsebenzi elsewhere
yikho lapho Gumede akuyakona sengivayitha ukuthi hayi uzakuba manager coach.
Yeah, but our players were not, they were not being paid much because they were employed
elsewhere.
Yes, they practice 4 or 5.
Bethenwa ngumuntu lo.
Yeah.
Ubhutale la ukhona la.
Nguwe phetho abasesebancane walilo.
Lebona ama juniors.
Yeah, ngakhuluma la ngenye play team event esahamba ngayo lama under 16 le senior team sonke ngeplay sisiyadlalela
la gathi play nokuqala libona ngitsho wena uzokwayigada ibona
la baba anyway sa decide ukuthi asambene for a trip as a reward for the players. Samba saye Lesotho. Sithi sifike Lesotho mina kulokuyi-tension athi kuyini la. Anyway, nanko sesithiya ningi la ngaphi. Sadlala khona ngasawina wonke amagame ethu. Sesiphenduka via Durban. Nanko sifika bona.
Wasebela ubona ulwandle.
Abasakhe balubona. Balubona okokuqala. Siphutha sikhupha umnyama khona. Siyedlula siye eSwaziland. Safika eSwaziland.
80 bani la 5.
85, end of. Swaziland akho kumnandi manje. Azazibone i-independence nje.
Unabafana abancane.
Ngiyamagola, akazi ukugola. Ngizona senisuka. Basi sekuhamba shotile.
Yeah.
Kanti abanye sebesehluleka ukuhlawula. Yasebenza lezo zimono futhi
Wawusincengani laba loft abafana basesike bathola amantombazana.
Sibancengela phela ukuthi kabakhulule.
Omama la sebefuna imali zabo. Imali ku-ali uthini khona?
Hayi
Wahamba lapha. Yeah.
Anyway, to cut a very long story short.
Yeah.
Sifike lapha siphumule. Unyaka uthi nanku kuyaqalisa. Siarrange i-friendly le wonke.
86 la.
86 yeah. Arrange i-friendly le wonke. Ngempela nanku ethi singasidlala. Why? Alisibhadalanga imali zethu zelesuthu sawine lesuthu sawine.
Ngabafana bakho kade sila.
Yeah.
Labafana yiyo ama stars akhona lapha esikole. Odada simlwe labo madindi.
Yeah.
Ofana lencubo, uthatha simajola.
Yeah. Ngihlola le.
Yeah.
Madoda. Kathathi ngale libelisiye holiday. Uthi litshela mwe. Khangela i-contract yenu ukuthi
Kuthini?
kukhulumani ngamagame adlalwa outside the country.
Yeah.
Hayi asilandala.
Sifuna imali.
Asibhadalana. Hayi azuze sibhadala. Hayi asathinga lapha ngeloft. Lapha sathi le leadership quality. Sathi akula nto enjalo.
Yeah.
Walibhadala. Nxa lifuna ukubhadala ama-supporters ethu ahamba ngebus lathi. Abhadala so much.
Yes.
To accompany you.
Yeah.
Lani ke nxa selifuna ukubhadala ngani bhadalani lani
Ama-supporters.
Stalemate madoda.
Hey.
Tukuvele siyadlala ngaphi eGweru. Asambeni bathi asingeke. Loft wayencedisana lo bhala. Ambalethatha ama-players ethu wonke abebevela ku-Ali laba ebesasibalone out. Ambaniwathatha.
Laba ngama-players asuka kuma-juniors ka-Ali.
Asisele ama-players, ama-senior players.
Sesali. Kongoba namafana laba selibathatha besiza ku-senior team.
Umbambo.
Abraham Bambo.
Yeah.
So labafana abancane ukuthi bahle bagraduate bangene senior.
Bathi bangena khona apha abanye bakhona bathi bangena. Anyway.
Bajoyina u-NS.
Yeah, u-NS wayesebenzele hostel. Wayengekho ngapha. Mina simaphepha ye. Abanye la besiya ku-strike ngengekho. Wase-cross evela ejotini yakhe. Emsebenzini wazehlangana lathi eGweru.
Then what
10 minutes left.
Before kick-off?
Aye.
Or before likhamba?
Ibhola sesidlala. We were leading 2-0. 10 minutes left dlala leGweru United. Pisa. Usithi amaphepha. 2-0.
Yalida la.
Siyalida ngabafana bona.
Bona abancane sebevela graduate le.
Sekumlilo.
Hey.
Ayi abafana bayobelele. Ya 22.
leGweru United.
Yeah.
Uloft manager. Ucoach ngubani la?
Ngubhala.
uBerida.
Ezane izinkulu zabe zibuya one by one.
Sizonce.
Ukuthi hayi. Ngelani manje? Asidlaleni for. Ironically, that was to be our most successful year.
Ngiyabuya iminyaka 1986 uyaziwa in the history books of Zimbabwean football. You swept everything.
Yonke into except the league.
I remember when you were saying after every cup, watch this space for Chibukutu. Watch this space for Rodman's Shield.
The last one was no more space in the cupboard. Chronically.
Those were the days. No, because what could have watch this space and they win. And they won Zifa Cup. Iliki out animals.
Yeah, I like assessment. Anyway, it's one of the years we will never forget. Never.
87.
87 years.
Before that.
No. 86 kwambo vele sekule turmoil eZifa.
Yes.
Into azihambi kuhle.
Yeah.
uKenan Panana wabehamba oda lama councillors wona
Abavilasa abakhala ukuthi asebebuleli ibhora la.
Oni wabalanda bonke one by one liyabona i-election yenu ukuthi liletheleni la wena. Who do you think must be in Zifa sectors? When? But it can't be wrong.
A port.
A port, yeah. In the end, wabale list yabantu abakanjwe abantu hayi sinasiphala. But the problem now, FIFA wanted an election. Kana no bizumhlanga ebatshela abantu FIFA wants an election. But singenzile I have seen each of you councillors and the list you gave me abantu elibafuna. So asenzeni ki election liyakhetha bona abantu elangitshela.
I want those people lapha.
Yeah. Nelson Chilo, Frank Waldemar, Ndumiso Gumede, Ismail Musa.
I think to be honest, without favor, that was the best ever Zifa since independence. Ngiyakutshela mina. Uyakwazi ukuthi ngiyakutshela lokho.
Anyway, there we were.
And then when asumela uchiya ilenda la.
Yeah, ngale sensikhathi ongabi mbathani be.
But before that, you went to chairman the team.
87 phela. Sifake khona kufuthi.
Abantu ufuna ukuthi bazi ukuthi kwabaya amabhasi.
We.
Kwenze yonke into njalo.
Anyway, ngaye nalo 87 sanqutshwa ngomnye umngane weZimbabwe wayevakatshile lapha
Ikhiwa le.
Ikhiwa MP German khona le ya Manfred. Manfred something. I think. Anyway, now sithethwe indizamthini sisiyahlala eGermany.
Hey.
Sifike eGermany ngenye la indaba la salala sonke one day kuphela Hemka uthiwa Manfred Hemka salala sonke one day kuphela. The next day ama-German kwathiwa abuye bazothatha ama-players sehlala lama-families.
Also separate wathatha 1 2
but enjoy
life ke libone eGermany.
Yeah. Mina nganihlezi lenye ingamba. Hey! Lenyanga. Berry. Or a vegetarian.
Operate inyama.
Anyway, sahlala sibili khona 2 weeks. Sekhona border. Ke yasimangalisayo ke lapha naye kwakuyukuthi kathilanga. Sithele. Sahlala ngo10 ebusuku.
Ubona kusakhanya.
Hakhona ukukhala. Ilanga lithisa. Yamtho. Sifike ngaphi la? Wena.
Yeah.
Hayi anyway lakho sakho lapha. Lapha wobuzu uDike.
Yeah.
British.
Yeah.
Usayikho lo okusokeza
Rekhona.
Yeah. Obuza athi ukuthi mina sokuthi yesiyalithengisa kwenye indawo lorane yona leya i-trip yegermany yikho lapho satshontsha khona uramani from Eagles samgcine
umfana wathi esizwe ukuthi kanti kumnandi kangaka ubhosi wahlwa hayi lapha kusekhala kusekhala
kazangikhambele back
azakhala back okay lapha enduwa lamabhasi
hayi mina ngutshela isitori esimnandi
alright nje
nango kuthiwa hayi namhlanje siyahambisa kwindawo belibona nango ukuthi hambise Holland
alright
kuma Holland kanti basihambisa ebeach lapho ukubhuthwa khona bunyumunyu uzakubona kunjani esakubonayo ilanga lapho selatshona wena Shathi uyakhangela iqine ukuthi khangela ukuthi
la somela ukhulule phela la
abanye bada saqinisela zana isikhulu sathi sibone kwanele kathiya but basigcina kuhlobo
so sangena ngelwandle lento wakhuluma
kwetsa khona nje lethu angena amathoka bontulela impata lezi asazibuyelela meanwhile i-color television into entsha
ngini
mali sifika ama-television alahliwe sebethetha amamodeli amathi sebesithenga umakhala television sabuya siyi-overload phela wonke umuntu esethenge i-color television thukutuku sesendleleni mani nanka amabhasi elokuze escrapyard ibhaseni lesokuthi escrapyard bathi lapho vele ingatshayi iminyaka engaka sofane epasani lani soka hayi lekilani sithathe bathi alright sizasala silungisele lakanye sabe sibuya ngapha sidrayiva ngokungikazana azizake sibone
umfazi odrayiva ibhasi
wena awuzakubona ungaphi anyway sibuye lapha sesingena-ke u-87 nango ubhana nethi hayi ethani kuhle nanko sengiyalenda sengingu-vice chairman
wesifa
angingangiqala
uqala i-committee
member yakho anyway amabhasi athe sefika vele zami sengikuzifa ngasempunguya lami sengile sikhundla esikhulu ngibuyaka ichira la yona
kodwa lapho-ke lapho nansi sesithola i-team lesi yakwazi nxa ngisithi ngiyabale kwakuhlangane nombe emakhokhoba waqasiwa le-club house qasa le-club office konke lapha ngumsebenzi wakho
so club into engiyifica mina ngakhethelwa eSteno i-club yayivelile office number 2 emakhokhoba nxa ukhangela ungene e-big bar on your left but ukhona wakazama ukuyitshintsha but ungakhanyisa ukuyabona phela
yayile office le yayithengwa ngubani
asesiyiphiwe yi-council ngokhoda phela nje phezulu engqongeni kubadala babesapoti iyalenda okula bantu be-city council omdala udile ondubiwa amabhotoko kalakata so getting that office was but emini yayisetshenziswa ngomunye ndoda wayengutaylor nasasikuya ntambama
so wakhethwa lapha e-Stanley Square wawukhethelwe e-Stanley Square ile yasikuya nje khona pha
hayi big power laphana hayi sesibona ngani sekuhlezi kuhle sathi hayi we are better than here we should have kept that place now try to be our own sports show
iplay
yona iyovise esayichiyayo big power we should have kept it anyway sasesiya lobhengula sesile ofisi ephezulu hayi sesikhulisa lokho sesisematweni la but sayibona indaba yokuthi hey irent le ayisisindaba sanceda kuyena indoda le ayithengisa izindlu
uloft la
waba nguye osizwile kulokuye indawo lapha ninxi singenzenzele eyethu iofisi labanye sabe siyithenga iofisi yethu ku-50 Robert Gray Street
50 Gray Street yona lesi yona le office ekhona
office yona
so uloft la nguye identify le ndawo kophokoko
engumani
imali lilayo yokuthenga office la
senze arrangement sibhatala mbijana
Kodwa ngizabuya entweni lezo vele ngoba kuqhathekile lokho. Kuqhathekile ukuthi imali layiliyenza ngaleso sikhathi. Lingela sponsorship.
Hayi,
imali evela ebantwini. Ivela kuma supporters.
Eningi yayivela kuma supporters la ku gate. But support ngubaba Alfred Zwambila. So our transport costs were next to nil ngoba i-players azihamba nge-truck kazwambili truck
open
kuthiwa yini ama-truck la angashiyo unkulunkulu kakhulu emncane
kade nganzi inkomo kale muva
abanye
bonke namasithi kokuhlala phansi
truck kuthiwa impahla zakhe zemarisha supermarket lotshwala lo mna wakhe Chris esengutshemeni we-club uChris anyway
useyitholile lapha uselitholile kwabe i-clubhouse
hayi kwaqale California
oyeluvele
eCalifornia
eluvele
seqalile ukuthemba la seqalile ukuthemba kanti kudala laba bekhempa kwesinye isikhathi babehamba besakhempa egangeni eMatopole kuyena egangeni khona
ulalo egangeni usadlala ibhola lilala ngaphi loft
egangeni phansi
kwakuthola ingubo
impi uyathola ingubo impi kuyaliwa lethutha livela khonale la uzibuza ukuthi ngaze ngidubeka ngaka for football but umoya wona lona ukuthi
ungalala mali manje selithola
ngijalela ipride anyway sesiqale ukukempa
top California
sibhekela ukudla yilanga liyadlala libona bonke sebekhalela ukuyithwila suspect ukuthi
orambo la
sakuthi no le bantu abasibhekele emahhotela ndaba bafaka isoda lapha sicheke lapha sekule no
why babelifakele ukuthi
asiwazi hayi that was our suspicion ukuthi
lapha siyafakelwa la
lama enemy la
uloft manager lapha
uloft manager sabe dinga indawo luckily utreasurer wethu kwakuGumede was selling his house sakhan kita mana
sayifuna
leqala bethethe ngathi sizakwenzela umuntu wahlala sithenga ama-bank bed la kanye babethenga bezibhekela kwampana sikholisa ukuthi ikuthenga kwethu indawo lana silamaplani yokuthi sizayenza ibe yi-hotel like ngathiya mina basala bevothole ukutila lalitola abantu njalo nampo sebebabuyela futhi ngapi
emahoteli
sesikhathe sesibona ukuthi kuhlabhethi yanga labantu bama-sports council bathi Highlanders are setting a good example madoda azidingeni indawo yethu oKelly's la usadlalela amakhiwo ePortuguese udlalela amakhiwo eDolphins udlalela ama-India asingenene lokuze sabe siplan Queens sizayithatha njani Queens that's right
yayiva nokusikhatshana
yakuyavala amaphoyisa ehamba phela valini la iplan asithengeleni ama-members ethu i-membership ye-Queens
ukuthi beba ama-members e-Queens
bahlala 1 year ngale the-second year sokuvotwa yithi sabe siyi-majority sisesithathini angothi umtyolono wayidopha njani information okwathiwathi akulahle njani
awulamuntu omnyama longena la
hayi kuyanisilikuthengisele le ngapha i-Queensmead ground lena kwakuthiwa i-Queensmead
le Highlanders le
Highlanders
yayi-Queensmead
Queensmead kwakudlalelwa i-bowling njengale eyathathwa
Delma
ngudelma kwakudlalelwa lakanye safika ngaye sayikamela silolofti kambe sathi bathi sibulayo sizabona singathi lapha enxinyeni singafaka i-basketball laphana singafaka i-tennis laphana vele sesile idea ye-sports association that's why lalamthi ibhaliwe laphana Highlanders Sports Association
because we incorporate a lot of sporting
Exactly right. The base will be football.
Yeah.
But this is now a sports club.
Is this the time when you created a basketball or no rugby, yonke into?
Table tennis, whatnot, netball.
I remember very well. Ngiyaba mncane ukuthi kwaku very good.
Netball anyway,
you left. Nitona, you left, then you left. Them to see her, right? And then that's when it becoming to crumble, man. It was
big post. I'll crumble.
What crumble?
I mean,
Zakuluma ngako kuluma.
I am going to crumble. Anyway, in 10 years, what I told for me that all from JP.
Indawo phutana ohlekayo uyahleka yeah
hayi ngenile promise me yeah awugumede bebedlalisa imali lapha thengisa izivelo vele fana ayiso club ayifanele ukuthi yenze imali fani khuthaza abafana yeah bemvotela uJP2 hayi into zabahambela ku
hey
bese McDonald kwakulo mhlangano fanele nqube ehambe siyamhluthunela imali konke akula chairman lapha
uncane okhona namhlanje obudala wathi wayithatha imicrophone iphuma ugumede seseharare la
hayi ngimkhulu senzizwa ngendaba kuphela ukuthi kwenina
uloftu ngapi yena ukhona
Calling of the name said Salomon Geno, who's secretary, why then suspender.
Hey,
anyway,
Bob Kitchwa la pano JP.
Could you Unji of the board? You also report, you're not looking solar way. Ukuthatha board in the interim so belento ngabazi ukuthi where does the club go now yabe the board singcwele ngibaba umdlalo headmaster hello good the board until election anyway kwakungena wani iklub isiphumelele sibili ukuthi so finally iye phambili hayi mina siyan hayi nanko senchiya ukuba ngutitsha
right
since
Harare through
sisebenzele old mutual since old mutual lapha 1 year nansi old mutual ndoda zizothola ngaba sekufundisa ukuba sales trainer
right
nango sengifisa kwakulo mthetho ukuthi chairman nxa evela eHarare uvice uvela okwena
konke chairman vice versa
yebo kungaba chairman south vice ofana bese Harare. But I always it was determined Harare. Anyway, we are right. We in territory on it. Nothing we are right now. Saying Chum Sevens. So, same resign a foreign Tetuti, Nereo Kubele, Uchiro Taulandia. Buya, that's when the Songa, one community I want to support. I want to be material to the so I'm say that they are already guys came in, got not resident in material. Oh my God, we are going to not place out open.
Yeah.
Anyway, we are going to pay that. Put you left to Fokoya and
the Cape
Charles. A village Cape.
Yeah.
He keeps here dot she happens if I will pick was a PNC in Chimney of the two one boy very soon in the Cape. Of the two who am sending more Capes. So this Calagayatis, which are acting, most of acting secretary.
General
Yeah. Vice chairman and acting secretary.
Right.
One near Pela elections, substantive secretary.
Aha.
You see?
Right.
Bansan Lumi from all tongue to which see, Kenny. We had a song to do.
Yeah.
We see Robert Gaman. I'm a while. Now, says Bamba one be constitution, Bamba one be constitution. Says city anyone. Over the Clara. More than so many months to say till what thinking to have a position. Zamukani tuti Masela and Gene Porenda. That is the lang. But you're right. Now Morrison Swelani, no, don't John Banner, one referee. Catas. Basa de Sistore Senzua, Muchira, a Mala. I'm going to say Mala, where
The fight.
Le Fai. Muchiro and Twitter. I'm a tire. What did you say?
Lapho ngishiyame.
Ngabe ngicela Gastelity.
Ukuthi imali
Senza khobansa vile yona iclose on fana zitinte.
Hayi ngalitshelewa sesiba amend iconstitution phela manje.
You would not have amended like I.
Because he was doing a good job.
We valid him, yes, you valid him. Yeah. No more. Secretary Lola. Secretary.
Azamchi. Yeah.
Sada. Anyway.
Wasawula chairman lahle lamsuspenda le. Wazikhipha yedwa.
Velisi kupinda kusegcekeni ukuthi we are now violating our own constitution. Anyway, 92 sengikhonjwe intombi enhle anyuwana sithiye lapha yasebenza eBotswana.
Yeah.
Umuzi wami usudabule kathathu, mina ngihlala eHarare, umntwana wami bahlala la, unkosikazi
eBotswana.
Now unkosikazi ebuya edriver sakhupha amaplastic kanti unkosikazi simathi usubuya le uyisithutha wena buya sesebenza eBotswana. Ngabe ngiclear ezifana
useBotswana.
eBotswana.
eBotswana ufusenza usasebenza
nje ngiyakela kuLorenzo nalo. But ngisathengisa insurance. Ngiyafundisa. Transition ngahlala eBotswana until 98 ngalinda ngihlalele i-volunteering yes ngikhuluma lobani Murusomana Murusomana
Uyiziva la.
What's the problem? Huh? I can't tell you the problem. My tweet was to find you. Yeah, you'll hear from Valdemark. To know Valdemark. Are you Tibili? Are you right there? Yes, I'm right. No, we hear you're not settled. We need you desperately here. Come back and be our full-time secretary. Kalangan secretary in the old mutual. Now I was going back there to be the CEO. Where's it? One day, Chuchu. No, for me.
Oh, Vincent.
Yeah. We say I join you hotel in Chalene. I could, kuna ngale in Chalene. Botswana. Wahlala khona. Chuchu Vincent. Buya mafo. Dot. Sezovumelana ngani ukuthi buye eBhoreni wena thinto zakho. Botswana buzosenzela izifasa kuphindlu, sakuphi mota. Meanwhile into zabo.
Phela uqala kwakuyi-volunteer phela. Kade sebekutshela ngezinto zonke lezi.
Yeah. Meanwhile into zamvela zambi kuhle ngikhona ngale insurance. Ngisebenza la makhulu. Elinye khulukuze lisela la litshontsha ama-leaves ama-check ngaphansi. Ngiyebhenki ifema elamali. Njani mina? Ngiyebhenki bathi
Asikwazi lokho. Asikwazi. Yeah.
Bayithatha i-specimen but it's the same ngithi ayisiyo signature yayo. I-signature yami lo N.
Yeah.
Ibisisiba lo iyika Emmanuel othi into N.
Yeah.
Ngaze ngidweba umzila waphakathi uhlabe ngu-G.
Aha.
Lona manje uyabona u-N kuphela bese kufaka u-G.
Right. Emmanuel ngekho.
Ibhanki yasola ukuthi ingatshona. Abasola. No, don't tell anybody. Ngalapha bengingabona bengingena phela mnimi.
Ubusejele.
Amatswana lana.
Wathi wavuma ubuya wona phenduka.
Ngaphendula. Ukuphendula kwami semphendula lapha uchairman Songu. Leyo ngabe.
Hayish.
Ngaze sebenza
yikho lapho isikhathi zami nalawo sihlukana phela.
Leyo ngabe. Sahlala sitshayelana ifoni lapha. Ngaze basebenzela kodwa abathandanga umsebenzi wami. Bazokuthi no wena administrator sidinge ithiba libe ngu-CEO bayebefaka ithiba lena Mr. McLewen
asamkhumbuza
wayevela kurugby kuthiwa kurugby wenze mama kwathi intinti efika ngisokutesta into yale team sesithiwa yi-Warriors awubesiyadinga abafana begqoke amabhethu ebhola lalo mkhiwane zenzela amafixture akho athi kuthukika labelisarenda ngoba ubambile Gumede bandi tukutuku sebedinge Edgar Rogers uvela ku-basketball kanti uqala la mndeni yoneli
into eyenzakala la
Edgar Rogers ezobamba nami siya ngene Olympics ngale vele ufuna isikhundla ku-Olympics kefika ngale Olympics obethena bethi Zimbabwe there's something wrong about them. What no I'm actually South African. So suba the Korea and what World Cup now. It was the first two things that in two countries.
Korea, Japan.
Korea, Japan, yeah. Meanwhile, I'm pouring on the more wealthy couple than I think now country. Chairman, low vice work, lamb. We had any Korea. Yambalo.
Umurshawa.
Aye. Mukara to in charge PSA. I think by the anyway, Baham. Mundo Torana figure code is
Yeah.
so pen one was all a my kitchen. Aye. Yaman Zarko will be there. I couldn't find. Oh, primary was very should be until the open another Ngene. Rafik. Who Vincent Pamir. Who vice election. Miram Seven Zelis from under. No. Ukanesila upami
Ngoma councillors wendoko.
Yeah. Now
So ukhanda lapho yakwaccuse ukuthi supporting Vincent Pamir.
Yeah,
then you have to go in.
Yes. We're not going to work well
together.
I'm sure when is if I'm 2 or can. I that one plotted that. Why run a car breaker business. Castle.
Yeah.
Urani car breaker business. Babe vumbulea.
Icala lakhe.
Pasa white stripper. Amaphepha khona acatsha. Kodwa ayilokuzanga. Qala khona liphelanga. Bayemfaka phakathi. Nango ukhanise sese.
Eish. Wambe jail ukhana.
Wambe jail.
Right. Ubuyela zomnandi siloke sesondele khona senyabethu sesiqedile yikutshawa kwezifa
siye zifa mina ngo-204
204
yeah
phenduka ekhaya
ngayekela ngayekela zingahlanga impahla zami zonke ngahlala ekhaya my mother had lost a boyfriend so
my mother had lost a boyfriend. Ubaba wakho stepfather uthi boyfriend.
No, my real father.
Okay.
So Sahlale lo mama mi lapha. Nihlalele lapha. Nyanko 214. Ona so umizimota phansi.
Yeah.
Ngoba angibazi kathi abantu be-island ndoda
boy
iclub sesifuna iye phambili ndija ukuthi ube wasted lapha akuncede uzophumulela eclub lapha
sifuna ulwazi lakho
yeah alright ngizahoza malini mandoda
Kodwa imali enkulu. Siyakunika.
Imali enkulu
nguma-CEO. Yeah.
Namba abantu bendandela lapha mama. Ngakuthi. Kodwa nyabe mbuya ngibuya. Ngilalela idrop ngilalela kanye zathotha wasi. Ahlala ke 2014, 2015, 2016. End of 2016 wata ndoda sukulile bona lapha ulikaza sisola kathi ukuthi kathi sesi all the people of home kodwa hayi usibambele sithiyele ukuthi
Well done, ukusibambela. Wasethi structure se-CEO
no
Highlanders.
problem yeah no
Walungisa wonke.
yeah no baba uchiya wami end of 16
And then,
Highland
this.
sengidlile 2016 sengihlalele nangumdala J Themba decide ukufa iteam isifelwe
President.
president yebo haya sengizile hanjo ungcono uyetela kulokuthi ubuhlezi kwami ungcono uzojoyina i-board hayi madoda kambe every time ngicela lesikhathi sokuthi
Ke ngizikholisela impilo yami nje.
ngitshona ngidibhisa inkomo zami hayi komentani ibe mbuzi hlala hayi sifuna ukuba ngupresident hayi lapha uthafu wayengumpresident wa uJonathan khathi sifaka hayi
Sefuna ukubulala?
hayi lifuna ukumbulala ungena kwami ke wangumpresident
Right.
umnyaka owaphelayo that's the end of the story
That's the end of the story now.
manje kupresident lapho uduwo khona awuphumi
Hayi is for life.
uduwo oluhluphayo ikakhulu lina elizintathazi zendaba ukuthi alitshela abantu iqiniso upresident kala ngitsho lamandla just
Right.
a figurehead
Okay, you're a figurehead.
just a figurehead
Right. Kumzi mina lawo somezibiyele futhi rival yami lawe yona liyana kudala ukuzifa. Right, look at me.
yeah
You are the president.
Yeah.
Highlanders.
yes.
The mercy in this club is shocking.
That's your opinion. That is your opinion.
The mercy in this club is shocking.
Doing so well that other senior persons than you in sport are saying if only all the other clubs could be run like Highlanders. I'm not talking about
Right.
Sheffield United or Manchester United
Yes.
or Liverpool.
Right.
I'm talking about the Zimbabwean situation.
Yes.
There is no club that is run as well as Highlanders that has its books audited and reported on a regular and constitutional manner.
Has the books been? Has the books been? You just mentioned the books.
Yes.
Have they been qualified? My books, Highlanders. Every time.
Unfortunately, they've always been qualified.
Yes. Meaning what?
That there are certain issues that are not.
Why are we having issues every year after year, every year after year after year?
Because we do not have properly qualified persons to run the.
Then you're contradicting yourself. You're contradicting yourself.
I'm not contradicting.
You're just telling me that
I've
you
just
don't have
said
proper
in
people
the
running.
best situation, in the current situation, we are actually the best of the bad.
No,
Yes.
When we have the junk, because we number one in junk, then you are number one in the part of the junk. If football in this country is a mess, you can't be proud of that.
I can't be proud of that.
Yeah.
But in that mess was still the best.
Are you proud of that?
I wish we could improve. I wish we could improve.
You are the president of Highlanders. Your experience
I
in
have
football.
no
Listen, I know you've got no influence.
Let me tell you, I have no influence in the running of the club. I am there as a resource person. If anyone thinks
Yeah, but what-
Gumede might be useful, then they can call on me and say, what to say? Because I have searched. I worked for CAF, commissioner. I've traveled the whole of Africa. I've worked, right now I'm currently serving under the FIFA Interpol match fixing
I know, because Usep Blatter used to love you so much.
program. Yes, so all that wealth of information is there. But I can't impose myself.
Gumede, I do understand. When we are seeing when we chair, president of the club, and seeing the club run at a mess with your board interfering in the running of the club. We don't.
I still disagree with
no,
you.
the board interferes.
Well, unless you withdraw the word mess, this is the end of the interview.
Okay,
It's not
all right.
mess.
I'm talking about the football.
Not a mess.
Yeah.
Not a mess.
Okay. Let me withdraw that as a mess. Okay, you are best running among the junk.
Exactly.
Among the junk
I
in
agree with
Zimbabwe.
you.
Yes.
I agree with
So what I'm saying to you is, Mina, this club, you are seeing a very experienced administrator with over 50 years experience. When you're seeing what in the constitution of Highlanders itself, a board should never run the affairs of the club where there's an executive, an elected executive, which should be running. When you're the president, you're not saying anything. I know when your hands are tied.
But the club, the executive, the board does not interfere in the day-to-day running of the club. It does not. The board only gets involved when it sees that there are now areas of maladministration contrary to the constitutional provision. That's when they say amateur. Otherwise, those do a good example. Right now, they're busy trying to select a new coach. The board was not even involved. They just
But the board has been involved in the CEO.
Yes, because they were trying to fire the CEO wrongly.
In what way?
You can't tell a person with 2 days to go that we think we're not going to
Renew your contract.
Renew your contract. So pick and go today. You can't say that.
Gumede,
You can't say that.
Combs.
We work in an environment where we must observe the laws of the country.
do you know that a contract is notice? A contract, when I'm given a 1-year contract at my workplace, that is a notice that it expires. It is up to the people who are employing me to renew it or not. So when we say there was no notice, he was employed full time.
What time do they tell you that they
No.
will
What
time do they tell you that they're not going to renew your contract?
It is that.
Go and read the labor laws.
No, I've just read the labor laws.
No, wait. Silama, 2 persons who actually work at labor laws, who decided that according to law, labor were going to be in trouble. The same way, mina phela kwakule time lapho engafaka khona ngoThiango le club yathi fire that person or else. I went to the labor, they were telling me you can't do that. You will not. I don't know because ngoThiango club yaphunga uvuma ukuthi la young coach. You can't do that.
Gomes, it's different what you're saying. I'm talking about the CEO Highlanders. That was in football matters, but we are talking of somebody who is failed. Yes, you did well during your time. Yes. Yeah, what did you do yourself?
I suspect they've extended.
And this is somebody you bundled without any interview.
Bundled what?
To be a CEO, there was never interviews. We know interviews.
Why should there be interviews if you are headhunted?
Headhunted, why should you do that? Why to advertise and misleading?
You
misled. Do you agree? Hold on first. Agree, you misled
the people. Are you telling me that the term headhunted is not there?
Is this a club? It's a community club. Gumede, when you cannot go.
I just told you how I came back to
of course, we were starting.
I was Zifa.
No,
I was headhunted.
Yes.
There was no one else competing me.
Hold on there. Yeah? Zifa never advertised the post of a CEO. No, they never advertised. Highlanders went on and put a press statement to say they're looking forward. People should submit CVs, and the people who actually handpicked this guy, they actually put him without an interview, and they lied to the people who actually submitted applications to come in and work for Highlanders. They were never interviewed.
I don't know about that.
You know it very well. You know it very well. Yourself, you were picked because there was nobody else. They went to look for you.
No, I cannot.
It's different. The scenarios are 2 different things.
Because the board does not involve itself, so I don't know about that.
You are not hands-on every day. The board interferes.
How can you say we are not board on?
When are you a president? You just told me you're the president.
Yes.
When you're president.
And the board has also an oversight duty It does not get involved in the day-to-day
But
running.
do you agree with that was wrong to advertise that it was CEO position when you know that you handpicked somebody? Do you know that it was wrong? That was actually misleading the nation. You're trying to lie to the people.
I was not involved at that time.
Right.
I don't know what happened. But I doubt if picking the person, they would still go on and...
I can retrieve the adverts where they advertise for a CEO to say submit. They want somebody experience and all that. You then you pick somebody.
I do not
you
know
put
what
in.
right they would do that. That's why I'm saying ngowabo.
You are the president.
Yes, I'm the president.
Why don't you call them?
I don't even know what to go. I've already told you there's nothing wrong. He was handpicked.
I don't. Do you know why? I mean, I'm not pick, but don't try to mislead people for advert. There were some bankers, people who were finance people, who actually applied and put their CVs as advertised by the club, Highlanders FC.
And
yet you knew that this was just a
selection committee looked at them and found that they were not football people.
No, you're not there. You just told me that you're not there.
I'm now conjuncturing. Good, why would
it's a scandal.
To come. No.
It's a scandal.
If you put the application there and they say Ambona Panuti Machana, which on 270,000, we don't have to even call you for an interview. We just reject you. So after rejecting all those other people who came, he was the only one standing.
Standing, you just said they identified him, is it? And where the experience, what has your CEO done before? What has he done to say he achieved a lot?
That man is a learned man.
No, let me tell one thing. Gumede, whether you got a degree and all that.
You don't come out of a schooling system and immediately have experience. It doesn't work like that.
Experience in what way?
What has he done?
He has been there in football. He was the Secretary General before. Of Highlanders.
So
what did he achieve? No, what did he achieve?
You don't achieve alone.
You don't achieve alone, what do you mean? Your CEO has to work, he's the engine of the club. You were the engine of the club. You did a lot.
Agreed.
Do you agree you did a lot? Has he done even half of what you did? I'm saying, has he done half of what you did?
He has done even more.
What did he do? What did he do?
He has gone ahead and
they did what?
Implemented
and did what?
the club licensing.
And to fight fans.
Well.
To fight fans. To fight coaches, to fight players. And that you say is an achievement.
That is an individual aptitude.
Then you don't deserve somebody like that.
Which I do not have.
Yeah,
I don't have to fight
anybody. No, listen here.
But I'm a very good talker.
No, very good.
I can talk back.
I know you can talk.
Yes,
you can talk. You can talk, but you can't tell me somebody who fights players or can fight players.
Talk back.
Yes. When you fight fans, you fight coaches, you fight players, you go embarrassing, putting the club into disrepute, and you're achieving nothing. You say the person has done well.
When was he charged for?
So you wanted him to charge because under you speak to players, you speak to coaches to cover up, you sweep matters under the carpet. As a club like this, you are the oldest club in this country.
If you are fighting him over your girlfriend,
no, girlfriend, what girlfriend? I want to have a girlfriend here. I don't even have a girlfriend.
No,
I'm not fighting him. Just like
I'm not
what municipal stands? I don't even have a stand.
So why are you fighting him?
I'm not fighting him. I want someone in comedy with somebody like you.
No. I'm too old for that.
Let's find. Let's advertise. Let's find advertise.
And if no one applies,
the people apply, but they know that they won't get the job. We've got bankers in town.
It doesn't matter that
we've got people finance person.
It doesn't matter.
This is someone who has been there. Now you're renewing the contract. You're renewing his contract behind the executive. Behind
his football knowledge.
What that knowledge?
Who was into the poor?
Who was into the poor?
But you just told me, you know that he used to be secretary of.
No, why secretary? Because we voted. It doesn't mean anything.
While he was voted there, he learned a lot in those 3 years.
Then show us what you've learned.
All this, the one that you are.
I just told you that we cannot have someone.
Obviously biased.
No, we can't. Listen.
So obviously biased.
It's embarrassing. Did you fight? Did you fight my players? When did you fight the coach? Did you fight fans?
The players respect me.
Exactly. Yeah. So why is the same person not taking over your shoes?
No. They respect me for my stature. besides just being an old administrator, I am an old man. I am a nguni. I am royalty.
Gumede, we want our club back. People, they want the club back. Run professionally, the way it was before. Right?
Yeah.
Clean your house. Clean the house. Highlanders is people's institution.
That's not my duty. That's not my duty.
You are the president.
Yes, but that I just told you that position of president is just an honorary position. Right now, honorary vice president of ZIFA.
I know that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But
I know
I
that.
can't now go and say, hey, Machana, what are you doing? Hey, Fabian, what? No. They call me to say...
Lapa Pela, now we are talking to a Highlanders fan, a Highlanders member.
I'm giving you an
Lapa
example.
is no longer anything. Mina now we are was Tosana Zimanja.
Yeah,
from
that's
long
all
time.
right. That's all
From
right.
radio long time ago.
Yes.
Look at Tosana.
Yes.
Because now when you go to
Anytime. I'm ready anytime.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Highlanders, ibiseleni kubanikazi ebantwini.
Highlanders.
Ama-supporters.
Ubani.
Ama-SEPA members, ama-supporters.
Mina ngisuka support.
We support.
So you want to take
No, to ebantwini. Lingesisitsotsi. No, abantu
other than
abanjengawo.
me and Lofty and
Abantu abanjengawo.
you,
uLofty knows the problems ezikhona purpose. I'm sure he knows.
Yebo.
Yes.
Yes. Nguwe ofaka amatralongene eHighlanders Lofty. After all this work, uqale eHighlanders udlalele eHighlanders goalkeeper, wachiuba goalkeeper, waba player, wachiuba player, waba coach, wachiuba coach, waba manager. Umelele ukudilize eHighlanders the way you are doing now. I'm very ashamed of
Right.
you, Mr. Peter.
Upiri will never deal with
I'm
Highlanders.
ashamed.
No, Upiri will never deal. Upiri knows what their problems at the club. There are problems at
I
the
live
club.
with this man every day.
Yes.
He has never told me that there are problems.
We are born. Upiri, he must come back club. Asebenzele Highlanders.
Why?
He should come back.
What if he doesn't want?
He wants.
How do you know?
I interviewed him some time ago. He said he wants to come back.
Yeah, well, he wants to be the
Just
president.
like you, we asked
I
him.
can give up today.
No, I'm not saying no.
Yeah.
When the president is a salute to 100%. We have 1,000,000%. You deserve it. But mina ngafuniye ukuthi opinion ngento ezenzakalayo Gumede. Ukuthi this club I run a club lamela ngilambe Gumede. There are fans all over. There are fans in South Africa, Australia, Canada, UK, everywhere.
I know that. My own children are in America.
And
They are staunch supporters.
so why are we struggling as a club?
How do you mean?
Struggling financially.
Yeah, because the situation in Zimbabwe is not conducive to supporting football. That's one point. I wish you wouldn't record this, but I will say it, but don't put it in. The other problem we have is that we are deemed to be an extension of ZAP. So the people do not want
To be associated.
I'm telling you that. I have been quizzed myself by CIOs that they understand that monies come from Highlanders to support Zapping. So that's one point. Under normal state, a club like Highlanders should be having firms falling on each other.
Is it because of maladministration and Highlanders, a poor management, a poor run club? All right, just before I continue, let me tell one thing. Anyone who's watching this, if he feels that he is not, no one forces you to watch this interview, you can use your own Facebook pages to interview anybody. I don't get paid by anybody. No one should tell me what to ask him, what to say to the people I'm talking to, or how to conduct myself. This is my own Facebook page. Thank you. Right, Gumede.
Yeah, but I've just said to you, what I told you there cannot be put in. It's one of the reasons persons are afraid to associate with us. There's no other reason. We are the biggest brand in football. We're actually better than Dynamos.
In terms of running the club?
No. In terms of brand identity. Yeah? It's a pity that we can't call the people that tell us this. But our previous sponsors, every time they were meetings, we've all colleagues the time.
But
Talk to them.
Gumede.
They say, no.
Gumede. Why club like got a CEO? The club doesn't have a sports shop, doesn't have a merchandise. You're actually watching 10,000 people there putting fake merchandise here, boss. Fake merchandise here, boss.
I say Posoyota.
Yes.
Those things come
this thing of yours
China.
Of trying to tell me
From China
exactly
and
but it's
they're
fake merchandise.
everywhere.
Yeah, no. Gumede.
Not only
When
that,
you have much traveled, you've been all over the world.
He branded. All those things are registered, including all those.
But
funny
listen,
names.
if you're registered, no, hold on,
But we'll follow through.
No, with my little knowledge.
Stop scam. We came
we-
here, the police confiscate all that.
No, that's not the solution. I want to go and watch Highlanders. What do I do? I have to put a Newcastle jersey. I have to put a Orlando Pirates jersey.
Yes.
Because there's nothing for Highlanders.
But it was there. We
I'm
ended
a
up
flakes. I'm a scarves.
We ended up giving away our official T-shirts
Yeah, because
people said they would.
Make it expensive.
Money we paid to purchase
Yes,
them.
because you don't research where you can get those things cheaper.
No. The quality that
Gumede, I want to raise man for Highlanders. Yeah.
The T-shirts that Bank ABC made for us were made and purchased by them straight from Adidas. Bank ABC, the good T-shirts.
No, but you have to, as a club, to talk to them, to say our supporters, knowing the economy in Zimbabwe, knowing that they don't work, the majority, 99% of our followers don't have an income. Therefore, we'll need to find a substitute, something which will resonate with the club.
Those same supporters, my friend, buy expensive Liverpool and Manchester United t-shirts. Why don't those really?
No, there's nothing. I'm just telling you, there's nothing. Highlanders. At
the time.
We are following each other. We are driving straight to the office. Let's show me the jersey.
No. At the time,
I'm saying let's go to the club and show me the jersey.
Our biggest problem now was, Tell One said we are going to do your replica jerseys for your team as our sponsor. And we can now go to them and say, stop there, and
No.
The fault is with our official sponsors. That's our fault. Nothing to do with the laxity of the church. Nothing to do.
No, I'm just thinking of the way club. Right, I'm just told you, there are millions of supporters of Highlanders outside Zimbabwe. You're not tapping into that market.
But wait, let me tell you. We wish, as a club, that influential persons with recognized abilities like you must be roped into the structures of the club and work from there, than to be a loose cannon saying all manner of things that are not right. Yeah. You write a comment there, and the foolish people who follow you, including one who was
Don't say
saying
can you withdraw that?
you're
No,
foolish.
can you withdraw that?
I'm not
Don't say my
withdrawing.
Let me tell you, Gumede, can you withdraw that? Let me withdraw
Let me
that.
tell you a story.
Yeah.
Last week, you wrote something there, and someone followed it up and said, those old men at the board there, they are too old, must go. The first one to go must be Ndumiso Gumede. He doesn't even know. I've got no influence. Why must I go? Where was he when Tafi Moyo was president? Where was he when Jonathan Mhlanga was president? Now there is a person who they really wish they can get it to. Yeah, I'm telling you.
No,
I've never
Let me
seen
tell you one thing.
so much vitriol.
My followers love you.
No.
People love you. They respect you as an administrator. But when
They've just told me that
when you are drawn into a chaos, into a chaotic system,
people must understand that I'm having a position up there of even protecting this.
Protect in what way? Ireland will never be taken away by anybody.
What do you mean? I just told you of the experiences. Because utshelenye eyenzeka mina ngingakangeni. Iclub le yadabuka phakathi kwafonywa okuthiwa yini lena efuna ngo-65 words. Highlanders.
Right, asime ngana le faka i-online mana nginika ama-tips.
Yeah.
Go and sit down with the CEO and the executive.
That's not my duty.
It's not your duty, but let me criticize them. Don't blame me. I'm criticizing them.
No.
Put online shop. You are the president. That's why we are going to
Wait. We could incorporate you into the system, and all those grandiose ideas you have, uzozikhuluma uphakathi, than to be thrown.
Meeting uyamvalela uthi ngakhuluma.
No.
Meeting le usukumuntu wamvalela kuqala lapho uthi ngakhuluma.
If you are lost, you are lost.
So
if you are lost, you are lost. Ungayiqaleli ka-NS ngoba
ngikhulumi ngalokho. Angikhulumi ngalokho. No, wangamvaleli ngale ka-NS. Ngangivalela ngokuthi ngifuna
saying people who have energy and ideas like yourself must be incorporated in the club. Sikuwolusukumisa sibili i-club the way you did with your crowdfunding. That once of players
but ngazama phela ama players abhadala and ama players when they got that man they started winning. Awunikanga le credit.
No.
Awunikanga le credit.
It was just coming. It's like yena lo ubaba uthiwa ngu-Hendriate womthontomba lo sukile ucoach ufake yiphi player kwampana etimini kaMatini akula lutho just consider into lena evesivutho. I can even go back where Bobby Clark wacha some Zunda waxotsha ama-senior players wasala kolomngenu uBerita was the coach of the year the next year. Then I see a team got Berita. Okay. Team got Bobby Clark. Yawe ke kathesi sengutshela mina nxa bezakulanda one of these days ukuthi ndoda woza go in there and stop being negatively critical. Go in there and say I'll make a difference. One day I want to be chairman of this club, not with your 5-year membership. And you know,
hey, ngangibhadala annual. Ngeke lokurenew. Ngeke ngibhadala ngeke lokurenew. Wena wangisola ukuthi ngirenew because awurenewanga mfana lo you are not. But ngangeko ke ngirenew nje.
Constitution. In constitution. Ngathi khona ivela nga. Udala kwake kwabuzwa alaba ke bafala. Sokulama election. Umthamba ebuthi abantu ePlumtree ngekhombi. Azobhadalela i-membership. Good next week bayavote. Haya.
Mina avote abantu besikole betsholotsho.
Come here.
Abantu besikole use form 2. Ekhadi le 3 years. Form 2. So kuyaba kubonile lapho yini. Asovisa.
Ayikho phela.
That's why Zwana
exactly.
To set up good right. Umuntu uyajoyina lamhla awula voting right that year or 2 years. Uzazovote lapha.
Umntwana oyenza form 2 ule how many years kumele?
16.
So uvota nje.
Ele khadi le 3 years.
Hayi ikati yalanda baba. Kati ngibandona usanda ukuthathela umntana ke. Umntana unga.
But does it give that kid voting rights?
hayi kakafiki phela i-adulthood
bavota phela.
Ali just telling Ali Dube just telling you to vote but underage.
hayi
awangekho awuzeka bavota sibili
nakho la babekhona bakutshela but I'm trying
There was
to
what he-
justify
okay,
ukuthi
but-
why you were
okay.
barred from
But
but
because voting being 4 days later, but I
Yeah.
remember voting when they say 4 days without paying. So Gumede actually meant English meant Puma. I'll vote. Yes,
when it comes to principle,
Akuna principle.
count me number one.
Yeah, you can't say-
Awungeni.
Yeah.
Ayikho mina ngazala umuntu. Awungeni.
So Lina
Bengifuna kule yikhamera website.
so mina ngicela mina iboard welekelezwa ngapho on earth whereby a board is chosen by members of the executive committee. That board is chosen to supervise the executive. I come mina ngizoba executive committee. Then say nominate and then a board supervises me. What type of arrangement is that?
Is selected by the sitting board members, but may take advice from the executive. We are one family. Yeah, you can come and say,
Gumede, kulabantu people have lost elections before. Now they are saying they are the board members. We have lost elections. We've got a bad history.
You lose an election, my friend.
And then you come to supervise somebody who has been elected.
Yeah. You lose an election, my friend, not because you lack knowledge, but because one clever jack has painted a bad picture of it.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Ngihamba nje kathela ukuthi Gumede wakhombisa umntana wabani kusasa abantu bangixoxa. Wawungekho ali umntana ongenzela imhlolo.
All right.
Eclub
No, it was a praise, but kungabantu ayezibhalile lo mntwana whatever le 4 years whatever. Yes, but
isikhumbuzo ungabi phela umntwana wakho. Thina sasibonga ubhala isitori, but you have tarnished my image.
no. Lalela. Thina nguthola intense image ngiyakubuza njengobana lapha. Khathi azange ukuthi ngusukele ngiqambela manga. But uyakwazi ukuthi ngiyakukriticize nxa uya doing wrong. Nxa upraise your praise. I'm the first person to congratulate you uba ngupresident.
I've been criticized so many.
I know that. I know. Just like me. I've been attacked and been abused.
How those soners sat down and made a decision ukuthi singu-2 lo mkhona too many. By right, I should be hating them. But lakathi sibandiza ukuthi please Gumede, can you come and help us here?
Okay. Right, President, Highlanders President.
Yes.
Politics of Highlanders is aphela nini? There's so much politics. There's too much enge ebantwini egcine. Hold on, man. Ngifuna ukuza angaqeda umbuzo wami.
Hayi ungenze kube kwathela ixhegu phela.
Phendula. Yeah.
Izaphela i-politics at Highlanders when people like you have the energy to do something good for the club, get roped in and work and produce results. One by two last team ibidliwa lapha under Matinda. There was not one day when you were not writing scandalous articles. It's a winner under this poor left basically to the
Gumede, were you reading my post? I can retrieve all of them. I'm the first person to congratulate team my winile and all that. Masidliwe vela sizwanani. Whether Arsenal umbe yini ngasidliwe vela nguzi.
Yeah, but I don't belong to that because I know that in a football situation there are 3 outcomes.
You cannot go.
You can't.
No, you can't accept. We don't accept it. We don't accept loss Highlanders. It should come. Yes, you should. Uti 8 losses. Uti 8 losses. Uti we should accept the results.
ezakwenza ukuthi you don't even lose one game.
What-
It's impossible.
Yeah. No, one game is acceptable. 1 to 3 games
You just
acceptable.
said you don't accept
Yeah,
the loss.
ubona ngani ngajabulela mina ngeparodi. Yeah, we lost to Chapung at home.
it's
We
not-
lost it to Herentals. We lost to Mushowani at home.
If it's not your day, it's not your day.
Every day is
We
not
are
my
child-
day.
We are child.
Every day is not my
Every
day.
The team wins one, wins some, loses some, draws some. That's football.
That's football.
Yes. Thank you very much
Nice
for a
football.
very nice interview.
Yes.
Yes.
But
you win some,
yegelani
lose
politics,
some, draw some.
politics, leave it. Forget about my grudges at Highlanders. You victimize people because of your old grudges. Some of you. Kurapana kuboda banu uyakwazi lokho lama grudges. Umuntu because they hated him. Akusamela ngaphenduke lona umuntu lo bani kudala uzazonda ubani. Hey lo umele wenze nje lo ufuna ubulala team. Liyekele that mantra of saying anyone who criticizes Highlanders wants to kill the team. Iyekele kuphela.
This interview was finished 2 minutes ago.
Thank you. Siyabonga kakhulu. Thank you very much. That was Gumede. Thank you very much. Ubhutati zabo yazokuza ama genius. He's a legend Highlanders. Ukhulumile uGumede and we are happy we spoke and I really appreciate it. Loft, thank you very much. We are very Botswana. Oh, is here now. So icela sebenze the club. Highlanders ye philisa abantu ukuwina kwe-Highlanders kwenza ukuthi umuntu athabe lapha edorweni.
When I got to Botswana, he asked me to assist him, and we wrote the constitution for Northern Football Club. They had nothing, they were just playing like a winning.
It's a legend in Botswana. They not trying.
When I arrived there, they Gumede. Yeah.
Finally mpomuntu ubhutale mbijana. Bhutale, what are you doing ama-juniors usulungisa team ebhola? Abantu mele bakwa-assist phela. This is a legend Highlanders who is responsible for producing all those Omadinda, Orambo, Ndumiso. You name the players, Peter Ndlovu, everybody. So
Etete over umsebenzi ka come to watch.
Awukwamntu washo ukudini. Kanti ngo-74 washo ufe ngo-75. Washo ufe ngo-75.
Usamkhumbula? Come to watch.
so khathesi wenzani manje?
Sasihamba yini mama uzobani because let's go. Let's go.
Ukhawuleza ama-juniors.
Ukhaliza ama-juniors nga.
Ngizazama udinga khona. eZimbabwe, eBulawayo.
So at the moment awula team.
Khona
Loyal city man. Tell Chris. You are doing very well, Ngutele ad.
No, anyway.
I don't like that.
Anyway, thank you very much. Loft. Thank you so much. Njengoba bonile ukuthi vele wena try predict vele sizahluphana lokho msivele ihlezi hluphana. And uyakwazi la. Thank you President. And siyahlana umeeting mhla ka-26.
Yes.
You'll be there and you're not allowed to talk yourself. You are the president, you have a club, yours is to observe, sit down and watch the proceedings. Even if you are young,
Like
right.
last time, it's a